Сәлем достар, маған жаңа идея келді. Ағылшын тілінде күні бойы сөйлеу және соны видеоға түсіру. Менде осы уақытқа дейін YouTube'да 100-100-ден астам видеолар бар. Онда мен ағылшынша сөйлегем, бірақ мысалдарды келтіруде, ережелерді түсіруде, бірақ күнделікті өмірде ағылшынша сөйлегенді түсірген ондай видео жоқ екен. Сондықтан ертең күні бойы күнімді ағылшынша сөйлеймін. Жоспар бойынша ертең менде бірнеше сабақтарым бар. IELTS сабақ, жеке сабақ және топтық сабақтар. Спорт тренировкаға барам. Менің тренерім ағылшын тілі тереңдетілген мектепте оқыған, бірақ мен онымен ағылшынша сөйлесіп көрген жоқпын. Алдында сұрағанда айтқан, ой, сөйлей аламын, білем деп. Ертең көреміз. Қазір енді камерам дайындап, бәрін дайындап қоямын, сөйтіп ертең осы челленджді бастаймын. Мен танымайтындар үшін, немесе мен ұмытып қалғандар үшін, мен есімімді біле, бұл Sotis English арнасы. Видео лайк басып қойыңыздар. Кеттік. Sotis English. I started my day with my usual morning routine. First, I made my bed. Then I got shower, I had breakfast. I also dried my hair. And now I have to curl it. We're having breakfast now. I've just had shower and we're having breakfast together now. This is our morning tea. What's in it, Mom? What's in it?
There are strawberries and
mint. So there are strawberries, and mint, and tea. Is that black tea or green tea?
Black tea.
Black tea. Okay. So there are strawberries, mint, and black tea, and it's super healthy.
And delicious.
And delicious. So now, are you going to the gym today?
No, I have to prepare for my exam.
Yeah, by the way, Sabina's taking ACCA test. What does ACCA stand for?
Association of Chartered Certified Accountants.
So it's something about accountants and finance?
Yeah.
Okay, so you are not going outside today?
No, sorry.
Alright. Okay, I wish you good luck with your tests. Curling my hair with a curling iron or a straightener. I'm not sure what it's called. I have to check the name of this thing. So this thing is called curling iron in the shape of cylinder. And this thing, which looks like mine, called hair straightener. So it means that I am curling my hair with a straightener. How ironic. I am done, guys. Look at this beauty. Class with my IELTS student. We're working on writing task 1, where you have to describe a graph, which my student is doing right now. Hi, hello. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Well, I'm great. I'm doing 24-hour challenge where I have to only speak English.
Okay.
Did you see when I just use this number? You can say 170. You don't need to convert everything into words. Do the same challenge. Speaking all English. I'm done with my morning classes. I've taught one personal student and one group, and now I'm ready to hit the gym. I've been working out with a personal trainer for the past 2-3 months now, and it's been an absolutely amazing experience. During the winter, I focused on swimming to stay active. In the spring, I took up dancing, which was a lot of fun. And now, during the summer, I'm hitting the gym. Hi, I'm at the gym on the treadmill. I usually start my sessions with some cardio and some warm-up exercises before Dima joins me. I think I'm done. Dima said that 15 minutes will be enough for today. So yeah, now I'm ready to do some warm-up exercises. There he is, my trainer Dima. Dima, today I'm doing 24-hour challenge. So I'll be speaking English throughout our session today. Is that okay for you?
Yeah, of course.
I've never heard Dima speak English, so this is going to be the first time when I will be hearing his English. Can you tell a bit about yourself? Where are you from? Where were you born? And how long have you been working? About your English, how you learned English. All right.
Okay. I'm Dmitry, I'm 21 years old, I'm from East Kazakhstan. I work as coach for 3 years and I started workout near 8 years ago. Just I know English because I studied in English-focused school.
This is first time when I hear his English and I'm really impressed. I feel like that your level of listening, your pronunciation, your speaking is in a pretty good enough level. So I'd like to ask about the similarities between learning languages and doing sport, and I think we'll discuss it later, but for now I'd like to ask our plan for today. So what are we going to do today?
So today we will train full body. Every training you can train all muscles of your body. Just for example, you train 3 times a week, and every training you train biceps, chest, delts, back, legs, and all muscles.
I love when we are focusing on not on the specific muscle but the whole body, including upper body, including chest, including arms. Those are biceps. Biceps are here. Yeah, biceps. And triceps, where are they? Triceps are here. Okay, and quadriceps. Quadriceps. Those are
Quadriceps, yes.
They're here. Okay, cool. So we're going to focus on everything. That's I think this is the best strategy. Before I done some warm up and cardio. So yeah, let's get started doing the real workout now. That was tough. I'm done, finally. Now I'd like to discuss the similarities between learning languages and doing sport. As an English teacher, I've been thinking a lot, and there are lots of things which is similar in these two processes. They both require patience, they both require consistency, persistency. What is your advice to stay motivated, not to give up, and how to stay productive in this process?
So I think if you need to stay focused on your activity, firstly you need discipline, not motivation, just because motivation it's only for first time. Later you must have discipline to stay focused, because if you won't have discipline you will lose. You must understand why you started doing this and what it gives you in your life, and if you will understand this, sometimes you can be boring of it, but later if you really need it you will continue your activity.
Yeah, well, I agree 100%. That's true. I think, yeah, this is the same in the language learning. A lot of people who are willing to learn a language, they are so motivated at the beginning, but time by time they lose motivation and lose interest. But the most important thing is not being perfect, but staying patient and making focus on the progress. Thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome. We'll wait you for next session.
So guys, today with us was Dima, our trainer. Well, what a great person, Dima. He really impressed me. I was surprised. About Goose? Blue Diamond? I made a video of it on my YouTube channel, Blue Diamond in English, and I translated with some comments. Have you watched it?
Yeah, I watched it and I started for that.
Oh, I see.
In Russian language.
Perfect. Now, let's move on. Here's the task. Again, question sentence, and you have to... There are already prepared questions, so you don't have to create your own.
I don't understand people who love ice americano. I think coffee has to be hot. Yeah, tea and coffee. I can't understand.
She had Just click on the link and you can join whenever you want. And you can do these tasks to consolidate this topic.
Okay.
All right, then have a great day. Bye.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Now I'm outside and I'm going to buy a calculator with my sister with my mom. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
It's really nice weather, isn't it?
Yes, today is good day.
Oh, yeah.
Wonderful day.
You're right. It's not too hot. It's perfect for a walk.
Yeah.
Look at our outfits. We're wearing almost the same outfits.
Trousers and t-shirt.
Yeah, and what are those called?
Pocket.
Yeah, those are pockets and...
Useful pocket.
Useful pockets, you're right. They're so big and you can put whatever you want. Our colors are matching too. What we're wearing... What color is that?
My white.
Oh yeah, it's so completely white. It's like milk white or something. These types of shops are called stationery. I love being at stationery. Look at these notes. I recommend them to my students for learning vocabulary. They can write new words on both sides. One side the new word or phrase and the other definition or the translation with examples. Mom, which one did you choose?
I don't know.
Look at the prices. This one's 5,000. You don't like it?
No.
Yeah, my mom went to ask the price. Mom, how much is that?
Like this?
How much? Yeah.
15,000.
15,000. Wow,
Yeah.
that's too expensive. Oh, chemistry. Chemistry was my favorite subject at school. We just bought a new calculator for Sabina. And yeah, but not just a calculator, as you can see. Well, I'm a bit hungry now, Mom. Would you like to go to a sushi restaurant right now? Sushi restaurant? Yes, of course. Cool, let's go. I like sushi. Okay, bon appetit. I'm full now. We're home. We bought a new calculator for you. We bought a new calculator for you.
Yeah, thank you.
My sister is preparing for the exam. Look at her notes. Labor ratios and lots of calculations. In 5 minutes, my A1, B1 level students will join. Most of them are beginners. Usually, I explain the rules and tasks in English, but since I'm doing the challenge today, I'll be explaining the rules in English. I hope they will understand. I'll try to use simple and easy language.
Was he an actor?
No, he was not an actor.
What was her profession? His profession?
He was a scientist. Not only a scientist, he was also a geologist.
Where was he born?
Where was he born? He was born in Pavlodar, Bayanovol. He was the first president of Kazakh Science Academy.
Yes.
So, who's that person? Anyone? Gauhar? Juanduk? Aygerim? Of course, right.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Bye. Bye. Have a good night. Hi. Do you speak English?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, actually, I speak English and I speak Kazakh and Russian, but today I'm doing a 24-hour challenge. I have to only speak English, so it's a kind of challenge.
That's cool.
Thank you. Well, what types of tea do you have?
No types of food.
Wow, your English is great. Okay, can I film you?
English. Oh?
Can I film you?
Yeah.
Wow, cool. This guy is super English. Okay, well, which of them are hot tea?
There is one. We have the classic green tea, black tea, and berry, mango.
Well, mango and ginger for me, please. The small one.
You pay.
Take away. Yeah, with me. Thank you. This is my first experience actually to film totally in English.
It's for some.
Just motivate my subscribers and my students.
Students, you have a...
Yeah, I have students. How did you learn English?
By myself, I think.
Cool.
Just watch some movie, series.
Oh, great. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite TV series?
Lucifer.
Which one? Lucifer? Ah, who's the main actor? Okay. And what is your favorite TV show? Favorite TV series?
The Boys.
Which one?
The Boys.
The Boys. Did you study here in Astana?
I'm not studying yet.
Okay. Where were you born?
Here in Astana.
You're local. Okay. Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay. Bye.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. The class went well overall. I explained everything in English and my student understood. Sometimes she spoke to me in Kazakh and I replied in English. The only word I couldn't remember was fractional numbers. I know the word, but during the class I couldn't recall it. So I used a Kazakh word instead. And that was the first Kazakh word I used today. Now I'm walking again after my classes. And this time Sabina's with us. This is her first time going outside today because she spent a whole day preparing for her exams, which is taken tomorrow. And she said that the results will be immediately after the exam. I wish her good luck. Let's wish her good luck. Yeah, I'm walking. I love this area. Sabina asked me to ask some questions prepare for her exams. So I'm going to help her to ask some questions, and since the exam is in English, I'll be asking in English and she's going to also answer in English. Okay, let's start. Sabina, what's that? Is that capital employment?
Capital employed, yeah. Capital employed is equal to share capital plus reserves, right?
Yeah, that's correct. Okay. What is interest cover?
Interest cover is equal to profit before interest and tax over I don't remember, maybe capital employed, right?
That's financial cost.
Financial cost.
Interest expenses.
In other words, yeah.
Okay. What is asset turnover?
Asset turnover is equal to profit. Turnover or sales revenue divided by capital employed.
That's correct. Okay. ROCE and ROI.
That return on investment or return on capital employed is equal to profit before like interest and tax is divided by capital employed.
Yeah. And
what?
Multiplied.
Multiplied 100%.
That's right. Okay. Well, to be honest, I do not have these phrases, this vocabulary in active vocabulary. You know what? I'm familiar with them from IELTS test.
Yeah.
From IELTS writing task 1. Almost in every second graph you can see those phrases.
Minus inventory.
Divided by
current liabilities.
Cool. Thank you very much. So, this was the very first time I spoke only in English on YouTube for a full 24 hours, and I'm excited to share how it went. And surprisingly, almost everyone I spoke to could understand English. My personal trainer Dima, the barista, even my mom, my sister were able to keep up with me speaking English. And before I wrap up, I want to encourage all of you not to be afraid of making a mistake when practicing English. Even as an English teacher, I'm sure I made a few mistakes during this challenge, but that's okay. What matters is I pushed through and I gave it my best effort. If you enjoyed this video, I might take on another challenge like this in the future. I'm also challenging you, yes, you, to try the same. Spend a day speaking only in English and see how it goes. And remember, practice makes perfect, and every effort brings you closer to fluency. So this is the end of this challenge. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notifications. Now, yeah, I'm going to go to sleep. Good night, everybody, and bye. Oh, and don't forget to watch these videos.